Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for peach cobbler. This is a really easy recipe and is perfect for the winter since it uses canned peaches. So let's get started.
Only a few ingredients. We need 1 large can or 820 grams of peaches and syrup, 1 cup or 125 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar, half a cup or 125 grams of melted butter, a half a teaspoon cinnamon, which is optional. In a mixing bowl, combine flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, baking soda, and cinnamon. Stir in melted butter. Then, in a large casserole dish, add a couple of tablespoons of batter, cut the peaches in pieces, and place them in the baking dish. Pour some of the syrup onto the peaches, spoon the batter onto the peaches, bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Allow to cool. This pairs perfect with vanilla ice cream. This peach cobbler is sweet and fruity. It's a great and easy sweet treat. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.